Bradford White is proud to introduce the all-new Infiniti K Series. It's compact, offers advanced technology, and best-in-class performance. That's why it's the smarter way to go tankless. The Infiniti K has a number of great features homeowners will enjoy, and some smart technology and engineering to make it easier for the installer, like calibration. Most conventional tankless water heaters require calibration with a combustion analyzer, but not all contractors carry one. Those that do must maintain the calibration. Plus, dialing in the calibration adds time and effort during installation. The Infiniti K installs just like a traditional water heater, so no combustion analyzer is necessary. In some installations, an external recirculation pump may be added to a tankless water heater to help provide instant on-demand hot water at all times. The Infiniti K makes it easy to do. Simply connect the power supply for the pump here, then go to the Infiniti K's control panel and select Add Recirc Pump. The unit is automatically programmed to use the recirculation pump when it's needed. On many tankless water heaters, these pumps fail because they run constantly. The Infiniti K's onboard computer senses when the pump isn't needed and shuts it down to protect the unit and improve efficiency. That's smarter. Here's another way the Infiniti K makes it easier for installers. If you have customers that need propane versus natural gas, no problem. Many tankless units make you buy a completely different unit for use with propane, or a separate conversion kit. The Infiniti K handles propane and natural gas with the same model, and the parts you need are included. The Infiniti K lets the installer switch operation from natural gas to propane quickly and easily, right at the point of installation. The unit can be converted in less than 2 minutes by changing out the restrictor plate and selecting LP gas on the control panel. The control panel also lets you easily make manual or automatic adjustments for CO2 and CO values. We make installation smarter, not harder, and deliver performance both homeowners and contractors will appreciate. Check out our Bradford White for the Pro website for more information on all the best-in-class features, specifications, and technical documents. See for yourself why the new Infiniti K Series is the smarter way to go tankless.